Alrighty, rare car fans, Bradley GT here at Englewood, Florida Cars and Coffee. When's the last time you saw one of these, folks? Take a look at it. Really nice looking car. Gull wing doors, kind of reminiscent of the old Bricklands. Wow, how cool is that? Look at this thing. Almost Pantera-like. I don't know if it's proper to say a kit car or what. I'm not sure, but here's the information. Let's see.
Yeah, it's a Volkswagen.
Yes, off the Volkswagen architecture, yes. 77, 180, GE 20 horsepower drive system. Few remain. Oh, it's an experimental aircraft engine. Wow, this thing is pretty cool. Look at that. Nice wheels on it. I bet you it weighs next to nothing.
Yeah. We built Doom, but got these things. But Volkswagen.
Wow, what a cool looking car.
Here, get out here.
Okay, thank you. It's evidently it says on the sign, the placard, that it is a aircraft engine.
Right. Yeah, after you look at it, it almost looks like a Corvair engine.
No, that's definitely aeronautical. It's not automotive for sure. What a cool machine. And it just goes to show you, folks, at these cars and coffees, you never know what's going to show up.
Yep.
Wow. You can imagine everybody driving around town in this thing, and everybody's like, what is it? There you go. Gauze Garage exclusive here at Englewood, Florida Cars and Coffee. Thank you.